Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2017 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport rear wheel drive. Yes, they do make these in rear wheel drive, which I never knew. It's obviously my first time driving a rear wheel drive example. This one's pre-owned, 65,000 miles on it, but still looks great. Twin turbo, 3-liter V6 producing 400 horsepower. Pretty insane to think about. So do we have the sticker in here? Where did this originally come from? This is a California car. Which makes sense, because that's really where you find the rear wheel drive ones. Alright, in Sport Plus mode. Alright. Now the steering is in Sport Plus with the most direct response. Let's see how it... Oh yeah, that's a bit sharper. What that also means is this has the fully electric steering. In most cases, there is no mechanical connection to those front wheels. What there is a connection, but in normal operation, it is disengaged with a clutch. However, if the power on the vehicle were to ever go out, battery fail or whatever, that clutch will engage and you will have steering. So don't worry about the fact that, oh, if the power goes out, I lose steering. So some people get really upset about that. It's not the case. It's the first time I've seen a Bronco out on the road. But yeah, not the case. You still will have steering. So that controls everything for personal mode. Oh yeah, that's a huge difference. It gets out of its own way, that's for sure. It's amazing the amount of torque this thing has down low. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.